Welcome back, guys. We're back in the train.
Very excited.
Doesn't look like from your face, but so had a
Trust
good
me.
week.
Very busy week though.
Why? Like,
Festive season, just eating, and I feel very lethargic after eating all those sweets and stuff. I'm like,
yeah. Usually, I'm like, oh, we should balance our meals with proteins, carbs, and healthy fats, and all of that. But the moment festive season comes, it's just carbs, 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 and it's delicious carbs. Don't get me wrong, but it's also like
so hard to maintain your diet, no? In
it
like
is.
festive season. Now it's been like, I guess for past 4 5 days we've just been like doing Diwali celebration and doing little parties and
Yeah.
doing our own things. And I started keeping track of my food, and I'm like, I don't even remember what all I've eaten, and I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure it's nothing healthy.
Maybe we should have put protein powder in our laddus or something, so we get protein laddus.
That is a good idea.
Startups in India,
Protein
here you
son
go.
papri.
Protein
Protein
soon
son papri. I mean,
If
I can
you,
only think about son papri. So
yeah, I mean, if you haven't watched that video, here's the link, and also the reel where Pallavi is like so passionate about son
son
papdi.
papri.
Protein son papdi won't be bad.
Actually, we can see
Protein
that's
sugar free son papdi.
no, that would be bad.
But how can one eat like balanced and healthy and like maintain their weight goals and stuff during festive season? I don't think it's possible. I have tried. Okay, I have tried.
Hmm. I mean, especially when you're in India. Here it's fine, right?
Yeah.
If you're back in India, like your other family members will come, "Hey,
Yeah.
beta kha lo, "Hey, beta kha lo." "Hey, come on, this is sweet."
And the worst emotional blackmail is प्रसाद है यार खाना पड़ेगा.
How exactly? How can you say no to prasad? Batao.
And then prasad is like a full fat ghee wala kadha prasad.
Laddu and proper that
And
rava ka
peda.
pura ghee wala halwa.
Yeah.
Khao.
Yeah.
Like
It's never low fat prasad. Prasad is always high
High
fat,
fat.
high sugar.
Yeah. So don't know how to maintain that diet. But
Yeah.
how do you guys maintain it? Do you guys even maintain it? And I'm so jealous of the girls who don't get fat even after eating. I love you girls.
Bless you girls. Like, love your metabolism.
But what the heck?
What the heck? What the
What the
hell?
hell?
Yeah, I am totally jealous of everyone who can just go around eating as many motichur laddus as they want and not give a damn.
Yeah, nothing happens on their body. I feel like everyone else is eating and it's just going in my body. I'm like,
Yeah.
bro, stop eating.
We are doing you a kind service.
Yeah,
So
I
that's
swear. It's annoying.
yeah.
But you are very health freak and diet.
I
kind
like
of a
eating fairly balanced and yeah. I don't watch everything I'm eating, but yeah, I'm like, हाँ सुबह बहुत मीठा खा लिया तो शाम को नहीं खाएंगे. Basically, that's my balance, and then I'll try to get a bit of protein in every meal, a bit of fiber in every meal. But it's like the moment I do that, Monday to Friday, I'm fine. Actually, Friday evening is when the chaos starts.
Everything's fucked up. Yeah, actually.
Yeah, it's like I can either have a good, healthy diet or focus on my career.
And I feel like if I need to follow my diet, I just need to be alone. I don't
Yes.
need to be surrounded with
Oh,
people. I
yes.
don't need to go to
Oh,
work
yes.
because friends influence you so much with things. Okay,
Yeah, for sure.
like you don't realize, but you will get influenced and you will eat unhealthy stuff, and then you'll blame yourself for it.
Yeah, that's
I
true.
swear.
That's
My
true.
life.
Why do I never meet like friends who like tell you, oh, let's go get something healthy, Like I am that friend. I remember when I was like back in college, I was really serious about this healthy eating thing. We used to go and hang out in a shopping mall, okay? And these guys used to get junk food from like all your fast food shops and stuff. I used to go to Big Bazaar and I used to get yogurt. And I used to come and eat
Wow.
yogurt with them.
Well, I think I was that friend as well. I had my gym era, right?
Yeah.
And I only used to hang out with people who work out.
In the gym. Yeah.
So after, I don't know, any session, we'll go to shawarma ji,
Yeah.
make a salad.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah.
Wholesome.
So you'll have that, and yeah. Now I'm in my era where I just only meet people who are unhealthy. I don't like it. But yeah, you become unhealthy into 4 in festive seasons after eating all of this
Yeah.
Diwali fest.
At that point, it's like no one even cares and it's acceptable. It's acceptable, it's all
Yeah,
right.
no?
So, like, no one is telling you not to do it. Even I went to India in festive season, okay, and I ate so much like mangoes and all of those,
Oh,
like,
mangoes,
sweets and this, that. And then I went for like a doctor checkup with my vitals and bloods and everything. And I think some things were a bit off balance. And the doctor is like, you were here for festive season. No, it's okay. what?
ये क्या, इसकी डिग्री लो, ये डॉक्टर भाई साहब की डिग्री निकालो इनसे, बोलो।
मेडिकल बुक्स में उनके पढ़ाई में
लिखा है
आएगा
कि
कि
हाँ,
फेस्टिव
दिवाली
सीजन के
था
टाइम
ना,
पे
it's-
ठीक है.
ये क्या बात है?
Yeah.
Everybody in India go crazy, you know, over.
Go big.
Oh yeah, go big
And the
go
moment the
crazy.
festivals are done, the shadi starts.
Nobody cares, bro, about anything.
शादी में तो जो खाना
It's
होता
like
है.
we have so many festivals, no? So it's like you never can actually follow a consistent diet.
Yeah.
Right, because you will always have something or the other coming
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
अभी पीछे क्या था, हमारा गणेश चतुर्थी था, गणपति विसर्जन उस दिन से। गणेश चतुर्थी था, दिवाली आ गया,
नवरात्रि
कुछ
था
आएगा।
अभी.
हाँ, नवरात्रि भी था बीच में, हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट।
इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे भी समोसा देते हैं.
हाँ, लड्डू भी देते हैं,
जलेबी
ये तो
भी
स्कूल
देते
में
हैं.
देते हैं ना।
Yeah.
So you can never be consistent with your diet,
Yeah.
especially in India, I'm saying, okay.
But my problem, I think, is that I love food too much. You know, like I think I'm very disciplined. I can tell myself कि नहीं आती आज नहीं खाते. But problem is प्यार है मुझे.
She's in love with food, yeah.
Yeah, intense love, and I feel like if I deprive myself of it, what is the point of life? You know,
Okay, sure. तो कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ा के मर जाएगी क्या? हैं? What is the
YOLO. But there are genuinely people who are not into food, who don't care really about if there is mithai or not. They can just live happily with their lives, and I'm a bit jealous of them. But I'm also sad for them. You know, like
Why are you sad?
what brings you joy every day then?
Probably gym for them, probably something else for them.
No, I'm talking about people who don't even gym, who are not into anything. They just don't think like food is like
Probably not into anything is their joy.
possibly.
Packing you up, y'all.
I don't ever want to become that person, so feel free. Thanks guys for taking that duty away from me. But yeah,
But I also feel like our mummy papa's cholesterol and all goes very high.
Yeah.
Okay, they need to take care of their things. They get very excited and they keep eating.
yeah,
So all uncle aunties, don't eat so much. Have proper diet.
yeah. The thing with uncle aunties is that abhi jaake we were like, okay, they are finally eating less sugar, but then we realized they're not eating enough protein, and now we have a new goal is to introduce more protein into our parents' diets, and it is so difficult.
Indian parents don't listen to you anyway.
Yeah,
And making them do something for their body, that's the different goal.
because they are always like हम इतने जनरेशन से ये करते आ रहे हैं,
हाँ,
हमारे माँ बाप ये सब करते आ रहे हैं, तो उनको तो कुछ नहीं हुआ.
I asked my mummy Ayati
Yeah.
to follow a protein-filled diet. I told her, you give my brother so much protein,
Yeah.
so much paneer tofu. You make sure that you are having something.
Yeah,
So she tells me, मैंने एक ग्लास दूध पी लिया. I'm like, दूध में कौन सा प्रोटीन मिल रहा है? कौन
थोड़ा सा है, but इतना भी नहीं है. You would have to drink
half
so
glass
much.
she'll drink milk. And she'll say, पिया ना? बोला, तुम अपने साथ मजाक कर रही हो?
Calcium
मेरे
मिल
साथ मजाक
जाएगा
कर रही हो?
max, but protein तो
And then
नहीं मिलेगा ना.
she'll be like, I don't like paneer, no. I'm like, so और दूसरा
Yeah.
सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन ढूंढो.
Yeah.
बोलती है बहुत टाइम लगता है खाना
Yeah.
बनाने, ये सब करने, so I'll just have आलू
आलू?
दाल राइस रोटी सब्जी. हम लोग
Aloo
क्या
is the
protein मिल रहा है?
biggest like filler for most Indians. Like I think all the
That's
nutrition
your
आलू
biggest
पे ही
hit.
चल रहा है अभी तक तो.
Exactly, bro.
But
Exactly.
my parents are non-vegetarians. Okay, so their protein intake should be relatively high. You
High.
would think,
True. Oh.
but
Oh no.
in India, you're non-vegetarian on certain days and you're vegetarian on certain days, and the number of days you're vegetarian is higher than what you're non-vegetarian as. So we would eat vegetarian on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and
Basically 7 days a week.
Sunday. So that's 4 out of 7. So 3 days you'd be non-vegetarian. But the 4 days that you're vegetarian, the vegetarian food you're eating is mostly like carby, right? Like very carby and
See, that's
fatty.
the
There's
thing.
not protein in that. So it's like,
We actually don't realize, but vegetarian food also have a lot of protein if you distribute it properly.
Yeah.
If you cook properly. अब दाल राइस रोटी सब्जी खाओगे तो कहाँ से प्रोटीन मिलेगा?
हाँ,
But then you need to probably have
Yeah.
spinach and all of those
Yeah.
things and other things, different source of protein like tofu वगैरह ले लो.
tofu,
Fry
paneer,
it,
soya.
make it, yeah,
Yeah.
make it soya, exactly. I forgot about that. तुम्हारा चना हो गया, the white chickpeas. So much protein is there. You just need to distribute it. We are just too lazy to just, we've been eating, no, the same
Yeah.
thing. No,
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है खा लेते हैं.
Yeah.
But हाँ, Take care of yourself. Even
Take
in
care of
bloody
yourselves.
seasons.
No, yeah. All these small things matter so much. And we are also trying really hard, guys.
Oh, take
to-
care बोल के मैं
Yeah,
मेरा
हम
अपना
खुद
वाइफ भी चेक
पिज्जा
करवा के आई
बर्गर
हूँ
खा
अभी.
रहे हैं घर पे जाके नहीं हम भी खाना खाते हैं ठीक से but yeah I think we should keep a goal no Pallavi like we should also start eating fixed amount of proteins and stuff.
I do try to keep a goal, Ayati, but it just doesn't work. I think I need to disown all my friends and just be alone and also leave my work because no, I mean I love my work. Sorry, I love my work, but like it takes a lot of your time. Like I
It's a
need
lot
to
of
wake
planning.
up. Yeah, I need to. I work Monday to Friday, right? So morning pay, you need to have your whatever meal you're
Yeah.
having. Afternoon lunch. How much will I cook?
Yeah.
I get very exhausted and women's life is not that easy either. You have periods the 10 days
Yeah.
and then 10 days you're
That's the
ovulating
thing.
and then your mind goes here there like
Yeah. Like the
But did
first
you grow up
15
thinking
days, dal is a source of protein?
yes,
We were
and
so
I still know sometimes I still drink and thinking that I have had my 12 grams protein now.
such a big scam, guys.
No, dal has protein.
Very little. Very little.
It's in my brain, it's ingrained in my brain, so
Now your body believes it. So
Yeah.
even if you're having it, you will
still
absorb
feel-
protein.
Yeah.
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 But I know a lot of Indian brands are doing like a lot of protein things right now.
Mm.
Yeah. Like there is Whole Truth Foods who have like a lot of naturally sweetened things, lots of good sorts of protein. And even Amul is like putting protein in like
Really?
lassi and everything.
Wow, I didn't even know about this.
Yeah. So Indians, you're finally gonna have protein, I guess. Let's go. Let's go.
I feel like we should have more like quick protein drinks and like meals and stuff like that as well, you know? Just like if you go any superstore here,
Hmm.
you find like protein shakes. Not like shakes, but like
But yeah, you should be able to walk up into a store.
yeah.
and
That
get
is one
good-
thing that is missing in
good-
India. We'll bring it.
Yeah.
I'll open my store, guys.
Maybe we should have a brand called Protein Premi.
Naam bhi mil gaya. Wow, man. Let's end it. This
Protein
is too much
Premi
of us.
range.
I have also, I don't know if I've ever told you. Actually, I made this entire podcast to say this. We should have protein pan.
Protein pan.
I swear. इंडिया में जो लोग इतने ज़्यादा इंडिया में जो लोग इतने ज़्यादा पान खाते हैं bro, they will have protein as well. So yeah, every man walking on the street with biceps pan. But I think this is enough of our bullshit. We should just.
Guys, sorry.
See, we were talking about pan protein, but I've got tofu, so like source of protein.
But
The phone was really dying. We didn't have a lot of time, so here we are trying to end this. How do we
end
end
your
this?
suffering. But
Yeah.
anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please, let's hit 150. Bye.